Hello everyone, welcome to this Wodely video tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import a spreadsheet or CSV file into Wodely so you can create tasks in bulk. Right now, we're on the Dispatcher web portal. To begin, click on the Import Tasks icon at the top right corner. This opens the bulk task importer. Next, simply drag and drop your spreadsheet file from your device into the uploader. Wodely supports Excel files, CSV files, and tab-delimited text files in any format, as long as the first row contains column headers. If you don't have a spreadsheet ready, you can download our spreadsheet template, enter your data, and re-upload it here. Once your file is added, click Match Columns to continue. Now, you will see the column matching screen. On the left-hand side, Wodely displays the column headers from your spreadsheet. On the right-hand side, you'll find drop-down selectors where you can match each column to the correct task attribute in Wodely's system. Wodely will automatically match common fields for you. All you need to do is review the list and fix any incorrect mappings. If you change any column mapping, your mapping preferences are saved automatically, so the next time you upload a spreadsheet in the same format, Wodely will auto-map everything for you. When you're ready, click Review Data button. On the review screen, Wodely will autofill certain mandatory fields, such as task type and delivery time window. Here, you can review all imported rows and even make changes directly before submitting your tasks. If a destination address is provided, you can leave the GPS latitude and longitude fields empty. When you submit the data, Wodely will automatically convert all addresses into GPS coordinates, which are used for mapping and routing. Once everything looks good, click Submit and Complete button. Wodely will now import all records from your spreadsheet and create your delivery or pickup tasks. After the import is complete, you can view your tasks on the dashboard, ready for routing, optimization, or assigning to your drivers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to bulk import tasks into Wodely. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips on using Wodely to streamline your delivery operations. Thanks for watching.